Hi there, been here at Lincoln Bikes. We've got something new to show you. Quite exciting really. Yeah, it's just around here. Haven't seen this for a while, so it's really good to introduce it back to you. I'll just get past these helmets. Hang on. Yeah, just outside. I'll show you this. There you go, that's what I wanted to show you. Look at that. There's the orange bin. Anyway, good to see. Warming up, season starting. Come and see us if you want a new bike. You want some new gear, pop along to Lincoln Bikes. Catch you all guys, bye bye.